What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to limit the WordPress revisions history. So every time that you update a post, a page, a product or a custom post type on your WordPress website, WordPress automatically saves a revision, okay? It can be on Elementor, for example, into this image, or on your WordPress blocks editor. Have you ever noted these revisions, okay? Right here. It's almost like saved pages, like backups that you can go back and save from revisions, okay? However, every revision occupies a space on your page, okay? So, if you have many revisions in many posts, in many pages, it can take a lot of space on your server disk and takes a little bit of performance on your host, okay? Because when you load the post, you will also load the revisions history. So in order to have a healthy website disk space and keep the site using low space, you may want to limit this. Let's learn how to do this in a simple, fast, free and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to choose international sites fail. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard. We will not use the WP config enter codes, okay, because we prefer to do things simpler for beginners and for persons who do not have code knowledge base, okay? But let's go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new. Into the upper right corner, next to keyword, into search plugins, you're gonna type limit revisions, just like this, and we're gonna install this plugin right here. There is other plugins, but they may be not updated, so I like this one, okay? Click into the activate button. Now all you have to do, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see the present plugins of your site. But hover your mouse over settings on your WordPress dashboard left sidebar of menus and click into the general, okay? Right here, we're gonna be able to see a new button, okay? So next to the week starts on, we have the limit revisions. And here you can enter with how many revisions you can take. For example, in this site, we have 15 revisions. You can limit it for example, 4 revisions, okay? After this, we're gonna save the change. And we are good to go. Change saved. Revisions limited. And we are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Border WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can use to customize your site. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can upload your sites and blogs for receiving and publishing guest posts for free. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition with our support, premium icons, blogs, templates, assets and many more pro features in order to do the site of our dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!